Hello learners, do you want to know how we teach in Unacademy Plus platform and what depth of subjects we are teaching and want to know how many number of questions for each topic we are going to solve? If yes, now it is a great learning festival in Unacademy. For 1 week, today you activate your free access to Unacademy free trial using our universal code KPCIVIL. 1 week you are capable of attending all plus courses at free of cost. You can attend KPSR subjects, environmental, geotech, hydrology, irrigation, open channel flow, fluid mechanics, OCF, everything at free of cost. So, why to wait? Download the app now. Use the activation link given in the description. Use our code KPCIVIL. Unlock your free trial now itself. Let's achieve it.